Last moments of the Kunnur Mi-17 V5 crash, courage of families. 6 more bodies of the Kunnur Mi-17 V5 crash victims have been identified as the mortal remains were barely recognizable. The chopper crash, that happened close to Kunnur in the Nilgiri Hills in Tamil Nadu on Wednesday, led to the death of Chief of Defence Staff Gen Rawat. His wife Madhulika Rawat, Brigadier L.S. Ligdar, Lieutenant Col H. Singh, WG Commander P.S. Chauhan, SQN LDR K. Singh, JWO Das, JWO Pradeep A. Hav Satpal, N.K. Gursevak Singh, N.K. Jitendra, L/N.K. Vivek and L/N.K.S. Teja. Minutes before the chopper crashed, locals in the Nilgiri Hills witnessed it and managed to capture it on video. However, they did not see the actual collision as it dropped to the hills with an accelerated heavy thud, and then there was stark silence. The mortal remains of 2 Army personnel and 4 Indian Air Force (IAF) personnel on board the chopper have been identified, defense sources said on Saturday. Last respects were paid to the mortal remains, which were later handed over to their families for the last rites. The last rites of General Rawat, his wife, and Brigadier Ligdar were performed on Friday. The CDS and his wife's ashes were collected by their daughters, Kritika and Tarini, on Saturday morning. In all this, great moments of valor are displayed by families who lost their loved ones, and a video that is going particularly viral is one of Brigadier L.S. Lidar's wife and Ashna. There are so many other heroes who lost their lives in that ill-fated crash, and this would need to be shared more explicitly. The pilot, Group Captain Varun Singh, is the sole survivor and is in a critical state in the command hospital in Bengaluru, and sources say he has 80% burns. He is awarded Shaurya Chakra, an Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice.
He was larger than life, everybody knows that. मतलब आप देख ही रहे हैं कितने लोग फेयरवेल में आए, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा पर्सोना था उनका, बहुत दोस्त थे, बहुत प्यार बांटते थे. So probably that is why people are also mourning my loss. But we must give him a good farewell, a smiling send-off. I'm a soldier's wife. I have nothing more to say. गर्व से ज़्यादा तो दुख है. लाइफ बहुत लंबी है हमें काटने के लिए, but whatever. अब अगर भगवान को यही मंजूर है तो फिर हम इसके साथ ही जिएंगे. This is not the way we wanted him back, but if it was not to be, then I don't know. He was a very good father, very good father. My child will really miss him. So it's a big loss.
I'm going to be 17. तो 17 years वो जो हमारे साथ थे, जितनी यादें उनको साथ लेके ही चल रहे हैं, और अच्छी यादें ही साथ लेके चलेंगे. आई एम हैप्पी ही डिडंट हैव टू सफ़र. इट्स अ नेशनल लॉस. माय फादर, मेरे पापा हीरो थे, मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड थे, और अभी बहुत लोग हैं तो इतना गम महसूस नहीं हो रहा. जब लोग नहीं भी होंगे इतना गम महसूस नहीं होगा, क्योंकि वो इतने खुशमिजाज इंसान थे. और maybe it's destined and better things will come our way. Thank you. हाँ, मेरे पापा मेरे में ही नहीं, सब में जोश भरते थे, और सबसे बड़े मोटिवेटर थे वो मेरे. और मुझे याद है जब मैं 5 साल की थी, मैंने पापा को देख के एक बार बोला कि आप मेरी हर बात मानते हो ना, क्योंकि वो मेरी हर बात मानते थे. एंड आई एम स्कैर्ड बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी पैम्पर्ड बाय माई फादर.